Hey students, again welcome back to my channel City. Hope you all are fine and wrote your exams well, right? So this video is regarding the review of today's IELTS test and also about the morning slot. I'm so sorry for the late update. I was out. Anyway, here you can see the review of morning slot and we will start from the listening module as usual. So listening was a little bit tricky overall, right? In part one, they got fill-up type of question as usual, and in part two, they got MCQs and selection of letter type of question, and in part three, they got MCQs and match the information type of question, and in part four again, they got fill-up type of question. So overall, the listening module was little bit moderate, or we can say it is tricky as comparatively with the reading module. So regarding the question type, if you find the question category is just mismatching and all means, you can just comment that below. Okay, I just collected this review from my students. So regarding the reading module, the passage one was the topic was related to Charles Dickens movies and it's related to novels, and they got the questions like true, false, not given, and fill up type of question in passage one. And passage two was related to environmental problems in 21st century related to plastic, and they got matched information type of question. They told that it's list of heading and MCQ type of question and fill-ups. And in passage 3, the passage was related to educational system, that's related to the strategy for children to learn, and they got the questions like matched information type of question and selection of letters. Anyway, overall the reading module was quite easy only. So regarding the question type, you can comment that below. Then moving on to the writing module, in task 1, as we predicted, it was a bar chart and it was a symbol bar chart, and the topic was related to the information about high school education of adults in 6 different countries in the year 2010. So that was the question. So if you want the model answer means, I will prepare one another video for that. And related to task 2, the question type, as we predicted, it was discussion with opinion type of essay, and it was from the question was repeated from the January 2021. The same question they already asked in January 2021. So here you can see the question. Some people believe that climate affect the person's way of life. That means there is lot of chance to get the so many health problems related to this climate condition, and there are loads of chances to get natural calamities like flood and all. So that may be that will affect the person's way of life, while others believe that climate has greater impact on the economy of a religion. That means if it is sunny day and all means, it will improve our tourism. So according to different sectors, we can give the positive and negative impact about the climatic conditions. So you want to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So in the first body paragraph, you can discuss about the first view, and second body about the second view, and try to give your opinion. So if you think that it have economical advantages means, you can support the second view, and if you think that it have negative impact on the people's life means, you can write like that too. So it's completely based on your ideas. So that's all about the essay. So if you want the model means, I will publish one another video along with the task one, and stay tuned for the listening and reading answers. So I will be back soon. So thank you so much for watching and all the very best for your results.